Welcome to 3225 Ashlynn Way, where you will find a large 30 by 20 feet workshop with a lean-to for a boat in the privacy-fenced backyard of this brick home. Hardwood engineered floors and ceramic tile are part of the upgraded features in this 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and split mother-in-law suite. The foyer, dining room, and great room all have beautiful Santos mahogany engineered hardwood flooring. The large kitchen has a huge island with tile flooring. The tile flooring has stone trim and matching stone backsplash behind the solid surface counters. The kitchen also has a built-in desk and French doors leading to the back deck. Enjoy a gas fireplace, vaulted and tray ceilings, a wall-to-wall bookshelf in the bedroom, and a large laundry room. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet, a private bath with dual sinks, a whirlpool tub and a walk-in shower. There is a 2-car side entrance garage, a back deck, a shop, a privacy-fenced yard, and backs up to the woods for privacy. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering the front door of this lovely home. It has engineered mahogany hardwood floors and measures 7 feet 1 inch by 5 feet 8. The dining room is located to the left of the foyer upon entering the home. It has engineered mahogany hardwood floors and measures 11 feet 11 inches by 10 feet 8. The great room has a gas log fireplace, a vaulted ceiling, a ceiling fan, engineered mahogany hardwood floors, and measures 19 feet 3 inches by 15 feet 5. The large kitchen has a huge island with tile flooring. The custom tile flooring has stone trim and matching stone backsplash behind the solid surface counters. The kitchen also has a built-in desk and French doors leading to the back deck. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 16 feet 4 inches by 7 feet 10, has ceramic tile flooring, and French doors that leads to the back deck and privacy-fenced backyard. The kitchen and island have solid surface counters, appliances that remain, and measures 15 feet 7 inches by 8 feet 9. The hall leads to the master bedroom and bathroom, 2 guest bedrooms, and the guest bathroom. The 4th bedroom and bath are located off the kitchen, making this a split bedroom floor plan. Bedroom 2 has a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, an arched window, a wall-to-wall custom bookshelf, and a closet. The guest bath is located in the hall. It has ceramic tile floors and measures 8 feet 3 inches by 4 feet 11. Bedroom 3 has carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 10 feet 10 inches by 11 feet 9. The laundry room has vinyl tile floors, a washer and dryer hookup, cabinets, and measures 9 feet 11 inches by 5 feet 3.
The master bedroom has carpet, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet, a private bath, and measures 16 feet 3 inches by 13 feet 7.